Hello guys, welcome back to Fresh Hobby. In today's video, we'll talk about the complete recruitment process for Infosys. So they are conducting multiple drives for all the batches, such as mostly they are hiring for 2021 batches, and also they are conducting a drive for 2020 batches too. So I have uploaded all the videos regarding these Infosys drives already on the channel. So I will provide the links for all those videos in the description box. You can go and check all those Infosys drives links and videos. So in this video we'll discuss about the recruitment process for Infosys. So we'll discuss about all the rounds they conduct for their hiring process and what are the things they ask in the each round. So we'll discuss all these things in a detailed manner. So please don't skip the video in between and watch the video till the end to get a complete idea over the recruitment process from Infosys. So let's begin. So very firstly, you will have to first register for the particular drive you are looking forward. So candidates who have registered for Infosys exam will appear for Infosys online test on the confirmed date and time. So the mail regarding the date and time, so they will send you the things about the date and time related links and all. So candidates will receive a link and a one-time password from Infosys talent acquisition team for accessing the online assessments. So further we'll talk about the recruitment pattern. So very firstly they'll conduct an online test. All the information related to this online test, so they will mail you the further related things about the online test. And once you are done with your online test and you have cleared that online test, so they will conduct a technical interview of you. And once you clear that also, so finally they will conduct your HR interview. So next we'll see about the online test, like what sections they ask in the online test and what are the things you have to prepare for online test. So we'll see. So the online test consists of total 5 sections. So all the sections are such as the very first section is mathematical ability. So they will ask you total 10 questions in the online test on mathematical ability, and they will provide you a time limit of 35 minutes, and the difficulty level for the same will be medium type. And next section is analytical reasoning. So they will ask you 15 questions on this and give you a time limit of 25 minutes, and difficulty level will be medium. And third section is verbal ability. So they will ask you 20 questions on verbal ability, and time limit will be 20 minutes and difficulty level is high. And the next section is pseudocode. So they will ask you total 5 pseudocode questions, and the time limit will be 10 minutes and the difficulty level will be high. And the very last section is puzzle solving. So in puzzle solving they will ask you total 4 questions, and they will allocate you a time limit of 10 minutes, and the difficulty level for the same will be medium. So further we'll elaborate all the sections in detail. So in analytical reasoning section, so they will mostly ask you questions on below sections. So like things such as the arrangements, puzzles, syllogisms, coding and decoding, number series, crypt arithmetic, clocks and calendars, data sufficiency, most logical choice, and logical deductions. So these are the things they will ask you questions on in the section of analytical reasoning. So talking about the verbal ability section, so below are the topics. You can see the topics such as the reading comprehension, sentence correction, sentence selection, sentence completion, parajumbles, spotting error, analogy, fill in the blanks, one word substitution. So these are the things they will ask you questions on in the verbal ability. Statistical ability section, so they will ask you questions on percentages, data interpretation, permutation and combinations, probability, areas, shapes, perimeter, speed, time and distance, modes and streams, time and work, profit and loss, mixture and allegations, problem on ages, divisibility, number, decimal and fractions, series and progression, LCM and HCF. So these are the topics they can ask you questions on in the mathematical ability section. Talking about the pseudocode section, so below are the topics. So they will ask you questions on in languages such as C and CPP, and the pseudocode questions will be on data structures. So in Infosys exam, puzzle solving questions will test your mathematical and logical abilities. So practice as much as you can for the puzzle section. So there are various websites available on internet where you can just practice these puzzles. And once you are done with all the sections and you are done with your online aptitude exam, so then onwards they'll conduct your interviews. Very firstly they'll conduct a technical interview, and once you clear that technical interview they'll go with HR interview. So this is the complete recruitment process of Infosys. So I have mentioned all the things and all the sections one need to study for clearing the aptitude section, like the online exam. So I hope you guys like this video. Please like, share and comment on the video, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel as I come up with this kind of interesting information, and I also make videos on various job opportunities. So please subscribe to the channel and share this video with your friends who are looking forward to give the Infosys test. So we'll meet in the next video. Thank you.